Good morning. Lesson 6-1. We're going to use the substitution method to solve one-step equations. A one-step equation is an equation, and remember an equation has an equal sign, where there's one step happening. This is 3 times x. That's just one thing. So, today, they're going to give you an equation with a variable, and then they're going to give you a list of solutions that they'd like you to try. A solution is the answer, okay, when you try to solve an equation. So down here on this page, they've given you 3 values of x they'd like you to try, and then you test them. And we substitute the value of the variable. So if they say x is worth 3.4, and our equation is x plus 3.5 should equal 7.9, we'll substitute the 3.4 in, and then try it. So 3.4 plus 3.5 was 6.9, which does not equal the 7.9 we need it to equal. So no, 3.4 is not a solution. And the same with the 4.2, substitute it in for the x, do the work. Does it equal 7.9? No. Then 4.2 is also not a solution. Then they said try 4.4, so we'll substitute it in for the x, do the work. 7.9 does equal 7.9. That means 4.4 is a solution to the equation. It's a lot of new words. All right, and you can work through these examples on your own, but they're basically the same thing. You have your equation. They give you some values for x. You put your values in, and then you try it out. And if it doesn't equal 135, in this case, if it doesn't equal what it says it should equal, then no, this isn't a solution. Okay, let's try example 1. If we have the equation p plus 9.7 should equal 13.7, we'll substitute the 3 in for the p. 3 plus 9.7 is 12.7. No, 3 is not a solution. If we put a 4 in and do the work, oh, yes, that is a solution. And if we put a 5 in and do the work, no, not a solution, which means the solution to this equation is 4. That's the solution method. You could, the substitution method. You can also use the guess, check, and revise strategy. Okay, the guess, check, and revise strategy says make a guess, try it out. Begin by substituting 6 into the equation. So they're just going to walk you through the process, but if you have 4.5 times p and we're trying to get up to 36, they say, well, try 6. Well, what's 4.5 times 6? 6 times 4.5. 6 times 4 is 24. Half of 6 is 3. 27. Does 27 equal 36? No. Then that means 6, not a solution. Let's try another one. They're going to go with 7 because 27 was lower than 36, so we needed a bigger number here. So let's have a bigger number in for p. So we'll try 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times a half is 3 1/2. And you add these together and you get 31 1/2. Oh, not 36. So 7, no, not a solution. But we still need to be bigger. So let's try an 8. 8 times 4 1/2. 8 times 4 is 32. Half of 8 is 4. And 36 equals 36. So 8 is our solution. Guess, check, and revise. Just make a guess. Even if you're not sure where to start, make a guess, and then you can do the work and then revise it. Make a decision about how much higher or lower you need to go. Okay, that's today's work. I'll do one of these with you. So if in the work they give you an equation, x plus 5.6 equals 11.6, semicolon, 5, 6, and 7. They're saying try 5 in for x, try 6 for x, and try 7 for x. So we can try 5 first. 5 plus 5.6 is 10.6. Whoops, that doesn't work. 6 plus 5.6 is 11.6. Ooh, that one works. And we got to try them all just in case. 7 plus 5.6 is 12.6. Doesn't work. So 6 is your solution. All right, good luck.